Good morning. Here I have come with this topic. Why does not moon fall to earth? Why doesn't moon fall to earth? Yeah, we know we can see our moon every day. Each night we can see the moon. Question is, why it is not falling to earth? We know that moon has a tremendous speed, okay, and this speed is constant. So what happens, according to Newton's law of gravitation, any two objects are attracting each other. Here also the same case, both the earth and moon are attracting each other. So our planet earth is attracting the moon, but since moon has a speed along the tangent of the path or along the tangent of the orbit, so it has some inertia. So what happens, the force of attraction or force of pull of earth on moon and the inertia of the moon are balancing each other. They are perfectly balanced, and that's why moon is not falling to earth. Okay, so it is a balance between inertia of the moon and the gravitational pull of the earth on moon. Okay, there is a perfect balance. If you speed up the moon, means some way, if you increase the speed of the moon, then what will happen? The moon will go away from the earth. And if somehow the speed of the moon is reduced, then in that case, moon will directly fall onto earth. Okay? No more balancing will be there in that case. In case of increased speed of the moon or in case of decreased speed of the moon, there will be no more balance between the inertia and the gravitational pull. So in first case, if the speed is increased, then the moon will go away from earth. And in case if the speed is decreased, speed means what? Speed of the moon. Okay. If it is decreased, then the moon will fall to earth. So this is the answer to the given question. Okay. But one more thing is there, that thing will be discussed in a separate video. Moon is actually every year, it is going away from earth by 3.78 centimeter. 3.78 centimeter. Yes, moon is going away from the earth each year by this amount. But the moon will have a stop after some time. How much time? Time is 15 billion years. After astronomical calculations say this thing. Okay, astronomical calculations say this thing. After moon is moving away from earth with this speed, 3.78 centimeter per year. This is just the growth rate of our fingernails. Okay, this is just the growth rate of our fingernails. So after this much of time, 15 billion years, the moon will have a stop. Means after that time, moon will not go away from earth. But the interesting thing is that in the coming 6 to 7 billion years of time, our sun will become a red giant, and in that case, our planet Earth won't exist. Anyway, this topic will be discussed in a separate video. Okay, and I have written texts related to this video that will be given in the description box of this video. The text will be given in 3 languages: English, Hindi and Bengali. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.